Hey guys, this is Prehistoric History, and have you ever wondered what the earliest birds look like? Time to find out. So, Archaeopteryx was one of the most ancient birds to ever live, and it was 1 feet long and had a really unique appearance. It kind of looked like a blend between a dinosaur and a bird. So it had a toothed beak, a bony tail and claws on each forelimb, but other than that it was just like a modern bird. Archaeopteryx was first discovered in a limestone deposit as a single feather in 1961 and as a mostly complete skeleton discovered in the same year. Now it's possible that the feather did not come from the same animal as the skeleton did, but the skeleton for sure came from the animal we now call Archaeopteryx. Archaeopteryx means ancient wing or ancient feather in Greek, and it lived 150 million years ago in the Jurassic period and was one of the oldest birds to ever exist. It was actually so similar to a non-avian dinosaur known as Compsognathus that a Archaeopteryx skeleton with poorly preserved feathers was actually mistaken to be coming from a Compsognathus. And speaking of feathers, we actually know what color Archaeopteryx's feathers were. So, on many Archaeopteryx fossils, we have actually found structures known as melanosomes. Melanosomes are structures on your skin which determine which color you are, and Archaeopteryx's melanosomes determine that it was actually grayish black like modern birds such as crows and ravens. I hope you learned something new today. Please like the video if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you loved it, stay tuned and bye bye.